Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ruby and today I'm going to share with you how to do this beautiful purple eye makeup. It's a bridal purple eye makeup. You can do it on your bride, you can do it on yourself when you're going for a wedding or for a good party. So how to get this, how to achieve this look, I'll show you step by step and you have to watch the full video for it. So before we get started, I want you to subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell on for the latest video. So now let's get started. So I will start with my brows and I'm taking this PAC eyeshadow palette and I will be using black shade. My eyebrow shade is black, so I'm just taking a guideline from my natural eyebrows and I'm using this PAC angular brush, and I will give you all the details of the brushes down my link below. You can check it out. So now you can see I have done all my eyebrows and I'm just filling up the scars, filling up the spaces I have. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I will be concealing my eyes. Here I'm taking Kryolan concealer in shade of 01 ivory shade. So I am blending it all over my eyes. So this trick helps us to cover and conceal our pigmentation marks whatsoever is on our eyes. So once I'm done concealing my eyes, then I will be setting my concealer with a translucent powder. So I am using this Kryolan translucent powder in shade 02 and that is also in ivory shade. This is for the fair skin. So once I have set my translucent powder, I'll be applying this tape on my eyes to have a very sharp eye makeup look. So I'm using this PAC eyeshadow and I'm taking this brown color, a chestnut color you can say, and I'll be applying it on my outer V area. And slowly I'm connecting a link and I'm going towards my inner V, but I am more pressurizing on my outer V area, as you can see. And I'm also holding my brush from the end and I'm doing it very soft-handedly and I'm circulating. As you can see, I'm in a small circular way. You have to go up and wards. So this is basically we are contouring eyes. I'm giving a proper shape to my eyes. So I'll be this is my transition area and this is my transition color I have used today. So I'm just doing it all over my eyes. So now I'll be taking this Kryolan concealer again, and with a small smudging brush I will be applying it on my 3/4 area of my lid. As you can see, I'm just cleaning it off. It is like a cut crease only, but I'm applying it on my 3/4. I'm taking a guidelines of my natural crease line, as you can see. So here I have completed. I don't know why I'm saying so much eye, as you can see. So once I'm done with that, then I will be taking this purple metallic shade. This is a PAC eyeshadow palette. It is a purple metallic shade and I will be applying it on my concealed area, on my 3/4 lid area. So I'm doing this fast forward because I don't want to waste your precious time. So I'll be packing up with my whole purple color, and now I'll be taking from a PAC eyeshadow palette with a small smudging brush. I'm using this black color and I'm just applying it on my outer V area. I'm being on a very limited way. I am not going crazy with this color, so I'll just spread accordingly. And once I'm done with that, then I'll be taking this Swiss Beauty shimmer palette and I'll be picking up a light purple color with my help of my finger and I will be applying it evenly on my lid. That is again a 3/4 lid. I'm not going on my black shade area where I have applied. So once I'm done with that, then I'm taking this APK eyeliner in shade black and I will be applying it on my lash line area. Slowly and steadily I'm doing this. If you're a beginner, then I will suggest you to go for a liquid liner, not for a gel liner. And today I have purchased this Maybelline Colossal Kajal Super Black. So I thought, okay, I'll give a try and I'll give you a review of it. So I've applied it on my waterline area, and guys, this is a very good call. This is a very good kajal and very affordable. So it is available in the drugstore near you. So I'm done with this. Now I'm removing my tape slowly and steadily. You can see how professional and sharp look. You just have to remove the excess glitter that has fallen on your face with the help of your cotton. And now I'm taking a small smudging brush and just smudging out my kajal, what I've applied on my waterline area. And then I'm like taking a small blending brush and then I'm picking up a purple color on it and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this champagne color from PAC pack and I am applying it on my tear duct area, and also I'm doing it on my brow bone area to highlight that area. So once I'm done with that, then I'm taking this Euro Paris eyelashes. These are very good eyelashes and they are very lightweight. So with the help of the Euro Paris glue, I'm sticking it on my lashes area. So once I'm done sticking, then I'm taking this Hilary Rhoda silver color, shimmer, and it is like a very thin brush they have. It's a very good, and this step, if you want to do it, you can do it, otherwise you can skip this step, but I like to do this. It gives a very good look. So now you can see I have just given a small C, a line on my crease line, and you have to wait till it get dry. And now I'll do my second eye. So now this I have completed my look. As you can see, this is a bridal purple look. This you can do it on yourself, on your client, or on your friends, and do comment me below how you liked it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, there's a subscribe button. Please press it, and stay safe. Bye, take care.